Now next we are going to discuss about nature of psychological data. So we are now want to consider how psychological data are different as compared to other sciences. Psychologists collect a variety of information from different sources employing diverse methods. The information, also called data, singular datum, relate to the individual's covert or overt behavior, their subjective experiences and mental processes. Data form an important input in psychological inquiry. They, in fact, approximate the reality to some extent and provide an opportunity to verify or falsify our ideas, hunches, notions, etc. It should be understood that data are not independent entities. They are located in a context and are tied to the method and a theory and the theory that govern the process of data collection. In other words, data are not independent of the physical or social context, the persons involved, and the time when the behavior occurs. We behave differently when alone than in a group or at home and in office. Like, for example, you may hesitate to talk in front of your parents and teachers, but not when you are with friends. You may have also noticed that not all people behave in exactly the same manner in the same situation. The method of data collection, survey, survey, interview, experiment, etc., used, and the characteristics of respondents, such as individual or group, young or old, male or female, rural or urban, etc., also influence the nature and quality of data. It is possible that when you interview a student, he may report behaving in a particular manner in a given situation. But when you go for actual observation, you may find just the opposite of what he had reported. Another important feature of data is that it does not in itself speak about reality. Inferences have to be made from data. A researcher attaches meaning to the data by placing it in its proper context. In psychology, different types of data or information are collected. Some of these types are: first, demographic information. So, this information generally includes personal information like name, age, gender, birth order, number of siblings, education, occupation, marital status, number of children, locality of residence, caste, religion, parental education, occupation, and family income, etc. To physical information. So, second is physical information. So, this category includes information about ecological conditions, example hilly, desert, forest, mode of economy, housing conditions, size of rooms, facilities available at home, in the neighborhood, in the school, mode of transportation, etc. Third is physiological data. In some studies, physical, physiological, and psychological data are collected about height, weight, heart rate, level of fatigue, galvanic skin resistance, electrical activity of the brain measured by electroencephalograph, EEG, blood oxygen levels, reaction time, duration of sleep, blood pressure, pattern of dream, amount of salivation, running and jumping rates. In case of animal studies, etc., are collected. Fourth is psychological information. Psychological information collected may relate to such areas as intelligence, personality, interest, values, creativity, emotions, motivations, psychological disorders, illusions, delusions, hallucinations, perceptual judgment, thought processes, consciousness, subjective experiences, etc. The above information could be, from the point of view of measurement, somewhat crude, like in the form of categories such as high, low, yes, no, ranks, which provide ordinal data with first, second, third, fourth, etc., or scores, like 10, 12, 15, 18, 20, etc. on scales. We also obtain verbal reports, observation reports, observation records, personal diaries, field notes, archival archival data, etc. Such types of information is analyzed separately using qualitative methods. We will get some idea now about all these things detail. Thank